Here's how to make silhouette in Photoshop. First of all, unlock your photo layer and go to select and click on subject. This will automatically select your photo subject in just a few seconds. Once selected, just click on this mask icon to mask the selection. And then click on this icon, select solid color, select white color, and drag this layer under this layer. And then add a new layer. Make sure to put the blank layer at the top of this layer list. Make sure to select the layer and then hold down the Ctrl key and click on this mask layer thumbnail. And then make sure you have selected your foreground color, black color. Then from this tool panel, you have to select the pen bucket tool. Then just click on your selection. Press Ctrl D to deselect this selection. And now here you have the silhouette. That's how you can do it.